Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to access TikTok after the ban. So if TikTok gets banned, you will not be able to access TikTok or download it from App Store or get new updates. But if TikTok is already on your iPhone, you can still open it and use as usual, but just for a while. Over time, TikTok might stop working properly without updates, features could break, or videos might not load right. And to keep using TikTok longer, avoid deleting TikTok and turn off auto updates in your settings so that your iPhone doesn't try to remove TikTok or replace it. Just know that TikTok may slowly stop working if the ban stays in place. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.